Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling high heart rate notifications on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, you will receive a notification when your Apple Watch detects a heart rate that rises above 100 BPM, while you appear to have been inactive for 10 minutes. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap heart. Then scroll down and tap high heart rate notifications. Here you can choose off to disable high heart rate notifications. And you can choose at which high heart rate you get notified. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.